Hello Jamie, it's Paul. I just started work on your radio. Just doing really basic rudimentary initial tests. Alright, I'm noticing a few things with the radio. Now I haven't gone in and checked any of this, so this is just my initial observations. Firstly, on the here we have a wire not connected, so I don't know where that goes. We've got a yellow and red wire cut here. We have another wire heat shrinked here, which I assume is that red wire there. So there's a white wire missing. Right, some other observations. First of all, I'm going to replace this tantalum down here, the one that caught the little blue one, which causes most of the RF issues. I want to show you this. Someone has been fiddling around with a low pass filter stage, or the tune stage for the first harmonic, and it's actually touching this coil. So they've spread this coil, and you should never ever touch that. It's not going to do anything to any power out, nothing. I think I've got it right there. You can see it's touching the one of the tune coils for the IMD. Alright. Now over here on this side, here, on one of the caps, the ceramic caps, there's a solder pad missing. I'll just put the speaker back on and flip it over. Hang on a minute. Okay, here we are. See this is, I don't know if I can get this. Really bad solder, so I'm not sure if it's actually connected, but that's going through a cap on a positive leg, and that goes through to another capacitor, a big electrolytic. Underneath I can't really see much. You've already probably looked at this. This transistor's been changed. This is not the original diode for input. Someone's painted it red. That's been changed. Let's flip it back over. All these all these coils in the tune stage have been messed with, and if you remember, I did a video on this where I rebuilt one of these here. As you already know, it's looking pretty interesting. Let's see, just here, obviously the TF03 has played up. Somebody's just put another impedance transformer on top, done a really bodgy solder job, and connected that into the system with speaker cable. See this? Big no-no. It's just, I can't believe this. So on the negative side, this lead should go directly to here. Now this is a lot thicker wire than what this is, and this is solid copper, this is multi-strand. So Jamie, at the first thing, I want you to look for me for a TF03, I think it is, and an impedance transformer amongst your hoard. I want to get rid of this. I want to put it back to factory. One really nice touch, somebody's added an LED to show when it powers on and off. I like that. Off. It's great that you can see power to the area and you haven't blown a diode. Alright, so what I might do, the first port of call is, from a safety perspective, is I'm going to replace that tantalum. See what happens after that. Then I'm going to measure the driver and the final. What do they want? 1969 and whatever the other one is, 1306 or something. Have a look at that and see what's causing the TX issues. It's obviously RXing okay, it just doesn't TX on AM or SSB. The caps, the first thing I smelt was, when I opened up the case, was capacitor smell. So some caps have been replaced. That one and that one. What else? There's some alien capacitors here. These aren't original. Yeah. So, as I said, I don't know what all this is, this stuff here. All right, Jamie, I'll give you more updates as I get them. Thank you.